Welcome to a billion-dollar facility where modern engineering transforms livestock into a global supply of protein. The journey begins at the intake terminal, where cattle are received and inspected by state-certified veterinarians. Every animal is electronically tracked, ensuring full traceability from the original farm to the final packaged product. Ethical handling practices are enforced using specialized architecture designed to minimize stress during the initial processing stages. Subscribe to our channel now to witness more fascinating deep dives into the world of industrial manufacturing. Hygiene is paramount, as automated systems sanitize every corridor to prevent cross-contamination within the mega facility. The facility enters full operation mode, with synchronized mechanical hooks moving through the primary processing hall today. Hide removal is performed by precision machinery. Thermal pasteurization cabinets use high-pressure steam to effectively eliminate surface pathogens before the chilling process begins.
Carcasses are rapidly chilled to optimal temperatures in massive refrigeration halls to lock in freshness and safety.
Quality control technicians verify the internal temperature of every unit before allowing it to move to fabrication. Automated splitting saws divide the product into primal cuts with a level of precision impossible for humans. Laser-guided robotic arms perform delicate trimming tasks to maximize yield and ensure a consistent fat ratio. An intricate network of conveyors transports specific cuts to different departments based on the final product requirements. Deboning specialists work in a highly efficient environment, using ergonomic tools to extract bones with minimal effort.
Fine cuts are portioned into steaks using high-capacity rotary slicers, capable of processing thousands hourly today.
Trimmings are ground and extruded into precise weights before being moved to the final primary packaging line.
Vacuum skin packaging removes all oxygen, extending the shelf life and maintaining the vibrant color of meat.
Automated labeling systems apply weight and nutritional data in milliseconds as the product races toward the boxing. Every single package passes through a high-sensitivity metal detector and X-ray to ensure total consumer. Robotic Arms Group finished packages into shipping containers with tireless speed and perfect accuracy in the factory. Case sealers apply heavy-duty tape and unique tracking barcodes to every box for the global logistics. Industrial robots stack heavy cases onto pallets with mathematical precision to maximize stability during the upcoming transport. Pallets are wrapped in layers of durable stretch film to protect the product from moisture and movement.
Driverless vehicles navigate the warehouse floor with precision to deliver.
Fresh beef is loaded onto climate-controlled trucks for rapid delivery to supermarkets and restaurants around the May.
The on-site laboratory continuously monitors for bacterial levels to guarantee the highest safety standards in industry.
Sustainability is a focus, as every byproduct is repurposed into useful materials for other industrial sectors.
Strict protocols for personnel ensure that the sterile environment is never compromised by the thousands of workers. Modern technology optimizes water recycling and energy usage, making this billion-dollar plant an environmental leader tonight.
Quality meat starts in the pasture, where cattle are raised with the best nutrition and care available.
Operators manage the flow of production through complex software to ensure a smooth and continuous factory operation. Constant sanitation cycles are integrated into the workflow to maintain a perfectly clean and safe processing environment. Lean meat is blended to precise fat percentages to meet the specific requirements of major food brands. Dedicated maintenance teams ensure that the massive refrigeration systems operate at peak efficiency 24 hours daily.
Every primal cut is laser marked for internal tracking, ensuring that no product is ever lost tonight. Automated storage systems maximize space and maintain the cold chain by reducing the need for human intervention.
Detailed digital manifests ensure that the correct products are delivered to the right destinations with absolute accuracy.
The final result of this industrial mastery is found on the plates of the world's finest restaurants.
This billion-dollar facility is a miracle of modern food science and industrial logistics in our world.
Regular maintenance is the backbone of efficiency, ensuring that the production lines never stop their essential work.
Pure water is a critical ingredient, and the facility's filtration system is a technological marvel in itself. Powerful augers grind through large quantities of meat, maintaining the perfect texture for high-quality hamburger patties.
Only natural ingredients are used to enhance the flavor of the meat before it reaches the consumer. Advanced sealing technology creates an airtight barrier that protects the meat from bacterial growth and freezer burn.
Automated rejection systems ensure that only the most perfect packages reach the final boxing and shipping stages. Digital twins of the factory allow engineers to predict and prevent bottlenecks before they ever actually occur. Sustainability is integrated into the design, with renewable energy powering a significant portion of this massive complex.
The final destination of the industrial journey is the local grocery store, providing nutrition for families everywhere.
From the farm to the table, and this process is a masterpiece of modern engineering and food science. The story begins in nature, where cattle are raised with care before beginning their industrial journey today. Real-time inventory management ensures the factory can meet the high-volume demands of the global market.
Frozen processing allows the factory to maintain a steady production schedule, regardless of the incoming supply levels.
Chemical analysis is used to ensure the flavor and safety of the final product meet strict standards. Deep cleaning with steam is a mandatory part of the daily sanitation routine in this mega facility. Automation in the warehouse increases the overall safety and efficiency of the logistics chain in our facility.
Secure loading is the final step in ensuring the product reaches its destination in perfect condition.
The joy of a shared meal is the ultimate goal of the entire industrial processing operation tonight.
A new day brings new production cycles for this billion-dollar facility, powering the global food chain.
The work never stops in this high-tech facility, dedicated to the art and science of meat. Human oversight is still vital to ensure the final product looks as good as it truly tastes.
Branding and labeling are the final touches that distinguish the factory's products in the competitive global market.
The scale of the cold storage is staggering, holding enough food to feed a whole small city.
Skilled operators work alongside robots to maintain the high volume of orders leaving the facility every day. Continuous monitoring of surface bacteria is the final safety net, ensuring the facility remains at peak hygiene.
The utility systems are a vital part of the factory's infrastructure, providing the power and the cooling.
Traceability starts at the ranch, ensuring that only healthy and well-raised animals enter the factory today. Keeping the machinery in peak condition is vital for preventing delays and ensuring the highest product quality.
Real-time monitoring allows for immediate detection and resolution of any issues in the complex manufacturing process.
This billion-dollar facility is a masterpiece of modern engineering and its ability to feed the world.
Razor-sharp tools are essential for a clean and efficient deboning process in this high-volume facility.
Maintaining the correct humidity prevents weight loss and ensures the meat maintains its high quality and texture. Automated bagging of wholesale cuts increases the speed of production and reduces the need for manual labor.
Verifying the fat content ensures that the final product meets the specific requirements of our food partners.
Thorough cleaning with high-pressure air is part of the daily sanitation routine in this mega facility.
High-precision stacking ensures that the products are not damaged during the transport to their final destination.
Products are a popular choice for high-quality meals, bringing joy to millions of people daily.
Maintaining the correct acidity is important for the flavor and the stability of the final meat product.
The factory uses green energy to reduce its carbon footprint and its overall environmental impact on world.
Temperature control is critical throughout the entire process, ensuring the meat has the perfect final quality tonight.
Heat sealing creates a perfect barrier against any bacteria, ensuring the product stays safe during the distribution.
Consumers are increasingly choosing this brand for its high quality and its guaranteed safety standards every day.
Regular calibration of sensors ensures that the factory utility systems are operating with absolute and total precision.
Sustainability is not just a goal, but a reality in this modern and highly efficient food plant.
From pure pasture to a global favorite, and the journey of meat is a masterpiece of modern engineering.
Thank you for joining us on this amazing journey inside the world's most advanced meat facility today.
Work continues 24 hours a day to satisfy the world's hunger for high-quality food.
We truly appreciate your support and hope to see you again for our next amazing industrial story.
Sharp blades are the secret to perfectly portioned steaks and the high efficiency of the factory line. The microbiological testing is the ultimate defense against foodborne illness and ensures the safety of the final product.
High-capacity hoppers feed the packaging lines, ensuring a constant flow of product to satisfy the orders.
Scanning destination codes ensures that every pallet is correctly delivered to its designated market across the globe.
Advanced air scrubbers remove particles and odors, ensuring the factory remains a clean neighbor to the community.
Every component is measured to the milligram, ensuring total consistency in the portioning and the final quality.
The work never stops in this high-tech facility, dedicated to the production of high-quality meat.
High-quality beef products are a staple of global food culture, enjoyed by millions of people daily.
The journey of meat is a masterpiece of modern engineering and its ability to feed the world. Continuous monitoring of wastewater ensures the factory meets all of the environmental safety and the quality standards. Clear labeling provides consumers with all the information they need to make healthy and informed food choices. Thank you for watching our deep dive into the world of industrial meat processing and manufacturing today.